Hi all, are you suffering from dry cough or sore throat? Then try to massage this acupressure point and that will help you to get relief from your sore throat and dry cough. Identify the LU10 point which is located between the metacarpal bone. So massage this acupressure point on both the hands. So what you can also do is like hold your hand together and rub your hand for a minute. And also massage this acupressure point which is found between your collar bone. So massage it for a minute. So massage these 2 points and that should give you a relief from sore throat and dry cough. Try it and have a great day. Bye.